guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, mamaya na po tayo maglalagay ng Roblox sa computer. First, titingnan natin yung slime. Meron siyang shells. Ang ganda niya. Tingnan po natin lahat ng first play natin. Oops, I guess I see one. Yata here. I see one. I see one here. Whoa. Okay, ano kaya to? Sabi doon sa packaging wala tong pearls eh. Ano to? Guys, click in the channels kung ano to. Sabi ko kanina, meron daw pearls na nagtatago, pero sa packaging, ala daw eh. Naniwala naman ako. Hindi ko nga alam eh, kung meron bang slime na may pearl! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I love pearls. I love pearls. I love it, the pearls, I love pearls. Parang lang Sophia the first one. Oh my gosh. So cute. There gonna be one more. Kaya? Meron pa kaya? Dito kaya? Ala. Oh my gosh, challenge na to! Aray! Wow! Did you see that? My pink dito, oh my gosh. Can't wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh, ala naman pala. Pero ano yung kumikintab na yun? Dun, dun, dun. Laro mo na. Ba't ay kumikintab? Ang gara, pero buksan na natin. Ala. May nagsarado ka? Yung data. Yun order tayo. Sinarado mo pa nga roll-ups. Nilak mo lahat ng ano natin. Tapos nakapasok si Minmin. Sabi ko, paano ka nakapasok, Minmin? So, oh my gosh. Tanungin mo si Tita Madjo. Hindi, si Tita Madjo, tanungin mo, ano itong kumikintab? You know, guys. Oh my God. Mag-iimbestiga muna ako, guys. Joke! Hindi ako mag-iimbestiga. Ang ganda naman kasi, oh. Ang ganda. Gandong. So, shiny siya. Okay. Click in the channel kung gusto niyo pa po ng ganito. And then, make some comment para alam ko kung ano gusto niyo gawin ko next. So, guys, hahapan muna tayo dito sa slime task. Sa next video ko, mag-Roblox tayo ng totoo. Nagja-joke lang po ako na Roblox yung ano ko. Nilalaro ko po. Ayun po, joke lang po yan. May nakikita kayong gano'n yung mahaba. That's just a joke. Prank for you guys. Diba? Pero matindi ako maglaro. Diba? Matindi lang ako mag-joke ng laro. Okay, wala na. Jiggly, 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 jiggly. Wala na. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. I guess that's it. Okay, meron naman tayong purple. Yan siya, purplish. Ano itong blue? Ba't may blue? Ano kumikidnap? May kumikidnap, guys. Oh my God! Ano yun? Ano ito? Okay. Smash it. Mamaya meron pa to. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Wala na. So guys, I get that. So maybe meron pa. Hanap lang tayo. Yeah. Hey boy, you making it in the dark? Oh yeah. Oh baby in the dark. Oh baby in the heart. Oh baby in my sky. Oh baby in my brain. Oh my baby. Oh my baby. Ito, may na-feel ako dito. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's inside? Oh my gosh. Crack it. Oh, get up. I need to get some help. Wait for the moment, guys. Bye. So guys, yan, I gotta help. Yan. Drinay ko siya. Okay, ano kaya to? Oh my gosh. Pearl! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am shot of this. I am real. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Oh my gosh, it's me, darling. Nakuha ng slime yung sparkling nito. Oh no. Teka, parang may ano. One moment, guys. Ano to? My sparkly. Okay. Meron tayong nakitang sparkly slime na, guys. Wow. I didn't see it as sparkly slime, pero oh my gosh. Pero oh my gosh ako. Ano to? Oh my God! Ano to? I really don't know. I really don't know. Please alone. Please alone. Please alone until the end. Okay, ano to? So okay, ano to? Woo! Wow, did you see that, guys? Wow, lumipad siya! Oh my gosh, is that a butterfly? Oh my God. I like it, guys. So cute. Kundo. Oh, one more please. Okay, meron pa tayong two. Two lang yun. Tulong to. Tulong ba to? Ooh. Ooh. Dam dam dam. Okay, sparkly things. Wala na. Wala na pa to. Wala na. Well, someone is hiding. Give me daily. It's not for, and you're not here. Ano to? Oh, ba't may sprinkles dito? Sayang yung sprinkles. Memories bring back, oh. So guys, I guess wala na, yun lang. So guys, bye! I hope you like it.